Hey everybody and welcome to my house. Today we're doing something that I wanted to do for at least 8 months. Let's go! Okay, so last time we took out the whole floor. Cleaned everything out. And put the floorboards back in place for now. It's just temporarily, so just we can walk on the ground without cracking through. Let me show you. This one is still loose. So remember, all the spider webs, all the ashes, all that stuff is out. And we have a pretty clean surface to work with once we're ready. Until then, we'll just keep the floorboards in place so it's safe to walk here. But what I'm so excited about is in this room. This is the future bedroom, and that is the attic. And what I want to do today is take out these floorboards so we have a secondary story on top of the bathroom. So you can kind of, like a kind of crawl space. And also you have this super high ceiling in the bedroom, which I think will completely change the feel of the house. So we're now above the bedroom, and essentially I think the only thing we need to do is make one cut here and then peel out the single floorboards. Let's try it. Good?
Yes.
Perfect. I'm trying to cut on top of the middle of the beam so I don't fall through.
Clever.
Yeah, that's me. Yeah, but that's good. That's good. See? If we do it like this, we can take out the whole board. Great. Okay, let's keep going. Wir brauchen hier mal Wasser, glaube ich, ne?
Okay. Qualmt da was?
Guck mal, wie das qualmt, Junge. Nicht, dass hier irgendwas anfängt zu brennen mit diesem trockenen Holz.
Ja.
Ah, das werden wir ja wohl mitbekommen, oder?
Das kriegen wir mit.
Ui. Alter. Ah. I think we have to rip it out.
Yes.
Oh. Yeah. Okay, geil. Ja. Yes. Und, sieht geil aus?
Mega! Vor allem, das sieht gerade aus, als ob die Sonne da oben durchscheint wegen der Lampe. Fett.
Yeah, I think it's easier to just hammer it out from downstairs. It's just this one.
Okay.
That's difficult. The rest should be easy. Because it's stuck. Right?
Ah, okay.
It's stuck. Ja. Ist tatsächlich hier ein Nagel noch drin. maybe they put in the floor before they put on the roof, because there's this nail and it's just impossible to get it out. Okay, geil. Hier ist schon mal lose.
Geil.
Boah, das ist so wie so Karateschläge, weißt du? Ah!
Wird ein Zweiteiler das Video.
Hä?
Wird ein Zweiteiler das Video. Highlight, wenn das raus ist.
So, bisschen noch. Immer wenn wir denken, es geht voll schnell, ne? Ja.
Ja?
Ja.
Sauber.
Geil.
Hey.
Hi.
Yes. Geil.
Ja, voll, ey. Okay, here we go. Watch out for the nails. Talking to myself. Okay, before we do anything else, I think we should take out the nails, because it's dangerous. That is dry wood. That is so dry. Oh, nice. We could probably build something with this. We should build some piece of furniture with these boards. Nee, aber es wird so beherzt. Oh nee!
Ist doch gut.
Dann ist das Brett durchgebrochen. This is the first project where I feel like I'm back in charge. It's no longer old damage that controls our schedule, old damage and things that we didn't know about. Now it's us again. It's me wanting to take out the ceiling, me wanting to have this open space. And that's what I'm working towards my aesthetic, towards making this my house. And I'm realizing how much I lost faith. Now I'm back on track, which feels really good. And I'm also glad I didn't realize how much I lost faith while I was at it, and that I can only say that in hindsight, because it was a little bit scary. It's still a lot of work, it's still overwhelming, but this gives me so much hope and strength and motivation to keep going, because this will be my house. Simple as that. Das ist schon komisch.
Okay, kommst du mal angucken jetzt.
Ja. Ja, mega geil, oder? Yes. It's such a difference. I mean, you have to imagine this with clay-covered walls, sanded beams. It will be so beautiful. And this is the first step. Imagine if this is the bedroom. And then, oh, there can be plants up there and light. And where you stand, there could be like a little reading corner or something.
Yes.
So nice. It is so crazy to think that yesterday it was like this, and now it's like this. It feels so much bigger and freer and breathable and open. And now I'm kind of tempted to do it in the other room as well. But again, like I do like the contrast, and I do think this is a great room for storage.
Yes.
But yeah, to have this, and it is the contrast. It is having both of these worlds. Yes. So in the future, there might be a ladder or maybe a set of steep stairs, and this could be part of a cabinet or something. And then you can just like go up here. So this could be, I don't know, a cozy spot or just for reading, or maybe a TV. You know, there could be a TV here. Oh, you know what? I think there should be a window here. It's not too late for that. We can just knock this out, have a window in this frame. I think that would be amazing, like a window that goes all the way to the floor, and then you can hang out here and just open window, don't fall out, but look outside.
Nice.
Ah, so much more light. And then, I don't know, maybe a little railing or something. And look how big this room looks from up here. Ah, it feels so good. I'm really getting back into the groove. I know these beams are beautiful and everything, but those ones, they will be covered with clay drywall because, first of all, sometimes less is more, and I think having the attention to those beams and to this beam kind of emphasizes the beams more than just having this overall aesthetic of beams everywhere. So they will be covered, and that will give us another, I don't know, like 15, 20 centimeters of insulation, which will make the house even more efficient when it comes to energy saving. So especially if you want to hang out here under the roof, it is a good idea to insulate it well, because in winter, especially in Germany, it will be so cold. In the summer, it will be way too hot. So we will add this clay drywall. It will be so beautiful and efficient because there's another layer of insulation. So I'm looking forward to that.
Hi.
I am stoked because this is now the first time in months.
Sorry.
Killing my vibe. But this is the first time in months that we are not working on old damage. We are not just like working towards fixing what's broken. I am working towards an idea that I had. I'm working towards my own aesthetic. I'm back in charge. It feels like I am back at the rudder, and now I can do to this house whatever I see in it. And it's not about fixing, it's about designing. And that feels amazing! So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I'm enjoying this room. And I will see you next week with a new video. Yes!